You will go jump, jump, jump and wiggle, 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 wiggle and say McDonald's. And say, state your name, your age, and your hobby, okay? Okay, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Let's say. Very good, okay. What's your name?
Mavi.
How old are you, Mavi?
6.
What is your hobby?
See,
You
dance.
like jumping. You don't like dancing. You don't like singing. So what's your hobby? What gusto mong gawin lagi? Playing games? Lagi play games. What kind of games? Wow, mga outdoor games. Okay, so who wants?
And then, ito naman sa kabila. Okay, and then, pack mo po, pack. Pack mo, and then, ayan, very good. Nagawa mo yung cheeseburger mo. Ay, very good yung Mavi. O, kaya na. Ayan, very good. Okay, ganito po.
Good job.
Ayan, ganyan. Then,